Did it scare you?
Yeah, it's too loud.
I'm sorry, I can't turn the alert volume down.
You turn it off.
Listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather.
Alright.
The line is expected to enter the platform trio.
Here we go. First alert on the WR100. Here we go. First alert of the night.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 18, effective until 4 a.m. Central Standard Time Tuesday. This watch includes the following counties: Caldwell, Comal, Guadalupe, and Hayes. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television.
Yes, sir.
Or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm shaking right now. This is the first alert on my WR100.
The current time is 10:16 p.m. Central Standard Time.
I've always been wanting to see that light lit up. Alright, that's about it, guys. I'm going to be telling my parents that we're under the severe thunderstorm watch, so that's it.